So at the moment I'm at the countryside, and I have those two batteries, flashlights, with me. As you can see, they are XHP50 and XHP70. There is no indications on the flashlights which is which, but I know which they are. So there was one question about which one of them is brighter, but this is not easy task to compare. At the moment there is still a light outside, but maybe the difference could be visible anyways. The first one will be XHP50, and you can see like how bright it is actually. I can focus the beam over there, and this is the brightness. This is the brightness of the XHP50. And now this is the brightness of XHP70. And for comparison, I will turn on the other flashlight, the XHP50. Clearly you can see that the flashlight, the XHP50, there is some kind of interesting effect. But anyways, you can see that the XHP70 is quite bigger. Both are in the longest, I'd say, adjusted for the smallest beam, and both are projected on the wall. So I would say, because of the XHP70 has a much more bigger LED inside, definitely it also has a bigger brightness or higher brightness. On a grass it looks like this. The XHP70 a little bit looks like windows. So yeah. Change a beam a little bit. Even I noticed that the XHP70 is start to be a little bit warm. Yeah, this is XHP70. And this is XHP50. So here we are, and I would say there's a quite dark inside. I can see, but the camera, well, it has some kind of problems. So first we will flash the XHP50. Boom. And this is the highest beam, and this is the smallest beam. As you can see, well, it's quite okay. And now we will flash the XHP70. Wow, this is much more brighter than the other one. Wow, yeah. Well, I think the choice is obvious. The XHP70 wins this round, because it's quite brighter. I don't have the proper I don't have the proper testers for probing the light, but anyways, it's I think by comparing the beams you can see that the XHP70 is quite brighter. And now I will try to both at the same time to compare it side by side. So on the right side you can see there is a XHP50. On the left side, like over there, you have XHP70. So combining, yeah, it's got much more brighter, but this is the how they look side to side. Okay, this is one, this is other. Yep, XHP70 it is. There's a little kitten. Kitty. So, comparison for XHP70 and XHP50 flashlights. The first one is XHP70. Yeah, as you remember from first video, the XHP50, which I'm holding in my hand, has a much smaller lead inside, so it draws less current. It's let's just say it's a little bit have a higher efficiency, but the brightness is not so good.